Maris, listen to me very carefully. I have told you I am seeing someone else. Can you just stop calling me? Gosh. What's wrong with this guy even?
All rise.
Juvenile court hearings are closed hearings. Those that are allowed in the courtroom are those that are directly on in the court of first instance, Yaoundé, is confidential. We are going to take an oath of confidentiality. May you rise. Raise your right hand up and repeat after me. I solemnly swear that I will not divulge, either by words or action, any information which comes to my knowledge. I will not divulge, either by words or signs, any information that comes to my knowledge. In the course of this court session, I will keep secret all said proceedings. Which may help my presence. Please be seated. Court registrar, can you call the first case?
The Juvenile Court of First Instance number 0012, entitled The Republic of Cameroon versus Mba Solomon, now comes hearing.
May the accused rise and come to the hearing box.
Which is a criminal offense and punishable under Section 276 of the Penal Code with an imprisonment term. Based on this, he has been brought before this Juvenile Court of First Instance for us to examine him. On this note, I will pray the learned judge, who doubles as a legal kotukotuku, to use his judicial quantum knowledge and judicial momentum to look into this case critically and practically. That will be all for now.
Thank you, prosecuting counsel. Can the defense counsel make her opening statement?
Thank you, Your Honor. Your Honor and this honorable court. We all know that my client here, Mr. Mba, is a victim of assault, molestation, and rape by his uncle.
Objection, my lord.
Objection overruled. Continue, defense counsel.
Thank you, Your Honor. We also know that Mba here has been given the opportunity of redemption by being sent to this juvenile court, which looks into matters concerning minors and juvenile delinquencies. I would therefore plead that Mba be given the opportunity or the chance to complete his program, given the circumstances in which this occurred, which led to the death of his uncle, and it was due to homosexuality.
Objection, my lord. My lord, Lawyer Moma, who happens to be the defense lawyer, is derailing the indulgence of this court by injecting elements that do not have any nexus to their facts in issue, and the court will not entertain that.
Objection sustained. Defense counsel, rephrase your statement.
Okay, Your Honor. Mr. Mba here has been molested severally by his uncle. Cameroon being one of the many African and international conventions promulgating human rights in general and protecting minors in particular. The latter here is defined with respect of age, hence indecency of young people, which the punishment by the Cameroon Penal Code is in two forms. Indecency of child under the age of 16 and indecency of child between 16 and 25. By virtue of the Cameroon Penal Code section 346 subsection 2, the punishment shall be doubled if the offense is being accompanied by assault, or if the offender is of the above mentioned. And in section 298, in case of rape, which is the case of Mr. Mbahir, the imprisonment is between 15 to 25 years, or life imprisonment, which is the case of my client. I rest my case, Your Honor.
After listening to the prosecuting counsel and the defense counsel, we'll have to take a recess. We'll be back in 30 minutes.
Marriage, please. Please stop all this for goodness sake.
Look, Angel, just calm down. Calm down. Why are you this aggressive on the phone?
Can you please just stop? Just stop this.
Look, calm down. I want you to understand one thing, Angel. I love you so much. Okay? My love lives in you. And your love lives in me. I know that. Hello? Hello, Angel.
Does the prosecuting counsel have any witness?
No, Your Honor.
The defense counsel, do you have any witness?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, I would wish to call Mrs. Adele San to the stand, please.
I call Mrs. Adensa to the stand. Registrar, put her under an oath.
Mrs. Adele Sang, are you a Christian, a Muslim, or a pagan?
A Christian.
Then, take this Holy Bible. Raise your right hand and swear. Swear to tell this honorable court the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I swear to tell the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
Thank you. You might not give me.
Defense counsel, you have your witness.
Please state your name for the record.
I'm called Miss Adele San.
Miss Adele, did Ba ever complain to you about being assaulted severally by Mr. Moluben?
Yes. He complained to me severally that he was being assaulted by his uncle, and I didn't believe him. But the last time he told me, Sorry. Gently. What's the problem? What happened?
Mommy, that day, I know you guys are up there seeing me.
But stop crying. What's the problem?
Mommy, can't you see I'm suffering? Hey, hey,
Stop crying and talk to me now.
Auntie, I'm back. I don't see it very well.
Why can't you sit well? Do you have boy?
Hey, hey,
What's the problem?
Auntie, I excrete on my body everywhere at the time.
How can you be excreting on your body?
Auntie, I'm finished. Auntie, there's no school for me again.
But I thought your uncle promised sending you to school.
Auntie, uncle rapes me every day.
Jesus!
Hey,
Tell me you're joking.
Auntie, the only he beats me while raping me.
Thank you very much, madam. Can you please tell this honorable court, where were you on the 22nd of July, 2020?
I was at my home when I suddenly heard noise coming from Mr. Molu's apartment.
Thank you very much, ma'am. Your Honor, I have no further question.
Does the prosecuting counsel have any cross-examination?
Yes, Your Honor. Madam Adel Hassan, that's your name?
Adel San.
Adel San, thank you. I listened to your testimony with keen interest. But permit me ask you some questions for clarifications which can enable the judge make a good judgment. Now, who is Mr. Mba to you?
He's my closest neighbor.
Good. How close is your room to that of Mr. Mba?
Just some few steps away.
On your testimony, you said you heard a shout. Good. Now, is it a shout of pain or a shout of joy?
Shout of pain, of course.
Now, when you heard a shout of pain, as a good neighbor, did you try to investigate to know what could be the cause of the shout?
I was scared of my life due to the threats I got from Mr. Molo.
Okay, good. Now, do you know of failure to assist?
I assisted him in my own little way I could.
How?
He complained to me.
No,
and
no, please. My lord, we are talking on what happened on that fateful day. Did you assist Mr. Mba after hearing the shout?
Objection, my lord. I think my colleague here is trying to mislead the witness by asking unnecessary questions.
Objection overruled.
Madam, do you know of failure to assist?
no,
Good. Do you know that ignorance of the law is not an excuse?
no,
Okay, my lord, the witness on that fateful day failed to assist her neighbor who was in dire need of assistance. And since she's a bad neighbor who could not assist her neighbor, then her statement, her testimony cannot be trusted in this honorable court. That will be all for now.
Does the defense counsel wish to redirect?
No, Your Honor.
You may step down. Can the accused, Mr. Mba Solomon, stand for his statement?
Mr. Mba Solomon, are you a Christian, a Muslim, or a pagan?
A Christian.
Then take this Holy Bible. Raise your right hand and swear. Swear to tell this honorable court the truth, the whole truth, and nothing but the truth.
I swear to tell the truth. The whole truth. Nothing else but the truth.
Thank you. Can I give you?
Defense counsel, you can now present your case.
Thank you, Your Honor. But can you tell this honorable court what happened on the said day?
My parents died in motor car accident, and I had nowhere to go. That's why my uncle opted to help me. He committed the act repeatedly. And I tried telling Miss Adesang about it. She didn't believe me. He kept on raping and abusing me all the time. So it was one day when he came back from work and wanted to rape me.
Mba, Mba, Mba. Mba, come.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Bring my bill with a glass.
Okay.
Okay. Put it there. Put it there. I'll call you when I meet you. Huh?
Okay.
Thank you. Mba,
Yes, uncle.
come. Sit here. Sit. You're nine, man. Drink.
Yes, sir.
Drink.
Uncle, I'm worried.
Why are you worried?
Uncle, when am I going to resume school? Uncle, my parents died. You are the only person I rely on.
Excuse me. Hello? Yes, yes. Yes, it's Mr. Ben Mulu. Yes. The manager of the Bean nightclub. Don't worry. You will have your 10 street to this. Huh? Okay. The party is going to be excellent for tomorrow. Huh? Okay. Bye. Don't worry. You will resume school very soon. Huh? Don't you trust your uncle?
Yes, your uncle.
What is that?
Uncle, I'm interested. It's a good.
You're pressed. You want to go to the toilet. You feel you can escape me?
That's what happened.
So, Your Honor, we can now see how this young man's human rights were violated. He was assaulted, molested, and sexually abused by his own uncle. Your Honor, I have no further questions.
Does the prosecuting counsel have any cross-examination?
Yes, Your Honor. Your Honor, the young man's story invokes pity, empathy, and sympathy, but this prosecution counsel will not be moved by emotion. It is for this reason that I have just one question to ask you, Mr. Mba. Mr. Mba, did you kill your uncle during the harassment or after the harassment?
Ma, why are you in this house? Ma! Ma! Mba! Mba! Good evening. How are you?
I'm fine, Uncle.
Have you eaten?
Yes, Uncle. Uncle. Uncle, please can I ask you something?
Go ahead. I'm listening.
Uncle, why are you not married?
Get out of my house! Get out of my house! You can't give me. I'm asking you steps you can't give me. That ass, I want that thing.
What type of a man are you? All the time I want this position.
Of course I like it. You can't even give your ass to me.
From today, I curse you.
Get out from here! Get out from here! Are you mad?
I hate you.
Shut up! How dare you ask me this type of question? Idiot.
Please, I will never do it. Please, I will leave. I will never do it. Okay.
Thank you. My lord,
Defense counsel, you can give your final statement.
Your Honor, indecency of rape of a child under the age of 16 is a criminal offense under Section 296 of the Cameroon Penal Code. Mba here, out of trauma, had to defend himself against his uncle, and that led to the death of Mr. Mulu Ben. Your Honor, I think this court needs to seek redress and look into this matter and let justice prevail. Mba here, being a minor, and due to the stress and trauma his uncle put him through, I solicited him into the social affairs, where he will be having some counseling and proper treatment. I plead with this court to look into this matter judicially and grant him the justice he deserves, because this boy has been through a lot of trauma and drama. I rest my case, Your Honor.
After a close deliberation, and we have taken time to assess the case, this is the outcome. Section 713 of the Criminal Procedure Code, given the Court of First Instance to try cases of juvenile delinquency, having heard the evidence, now finds judge's verdict to be appropriate and fair to the accused, Mr. Mba Solomon. The members of this honorable court, the Juvenile Court of First Instance, Yaoundé, have their duty here today as it is expressed in Latin, jura lex sed lex. The law is hard, but remains the law. So, on behalf of the jury, I hereby find you guilty of the accusation of the murder of Mr. Molo. But, due to the circumstances that surrounded the event, the judges have decided, according to Section 703 of the Criminal Procedure Code of Cameroon, the judges have decided, according to Section 706 of the Criminal Procedure Code of Cameroon, to rather go to the Bostal Institute for rehabilitation due to his age and trauma for an indefinite period, after which he will serve an imprisonment term of 1 year at the special establishment, according to Section 80, paragraph 3. At this time, the accused and the defense lawyer may report to the Juvenile Court of First Instance, Yaoundé, where your sentence will be more specifically explained to you. The State Council and court personnel thank you for the respect that you have given the defendant and the law. You are excused. However, as you leave here tonight, remember you have the duty to uphold the oath of confidentiality concerning these proceedings. I hereby declare the Juvenile Court of First Instance closed.
Can you just please stop calling me all these pet names?
Why?
Seriously, I feel uneasy and insecure with this relationship.
Come on, baby, feel free. You have nothing to worry about, okay? Again, are you sure you'll be coming to visit me Saturday?
Actually, I don't know, but I'll try my best.
Then you have to. Please make sure you come.
Okay, baby. Okay. Bye.
Hello, baby. Where are you now?
See, I can explain. Something came up.
Yes.
I'm so sorry. It's not my fault. I promise I'll see you tomorrow before going to church.
Look, it's okay. I understand. But you just have to promise me that you don't fuck me up like the last time, please.
I promise. Do something very special for me, please.
That's my baby. Very good. So here we go, baby. Obvious. Let me show you how I do it in my arm. Now have mine. Wow. Ah. Yeah. Very good. So, baby, let's toast to when you're coming in. You're welcome. Angel, I must admit you are looking exceptionally beautiful today.
Marius, please don't start.
I want you to know that I'm ready to do anything for you. Just for you, my love.
I'm not ready for this.
Angel, hold on. I want you to know that I love you. I love you with all my heart, body and soul.
I love Simon, but he betrayed the love I had for you. I promised myself not to love any man again until I'm ready for marriage.
You should trust me, okay? I am not like the other guys. I am me. Marius, trust me. It's okay.
Marius, please stop this.
You don't need to worry about that. She's not even a virgin after all her pretense.
Marius, I love you so much.
Just get dressed and start going, please. I have an appointment in 30 minutes.
Okay, baby.
But how are you feeling? Easy. Take it easy.
Much better, ma. But I'm still in pain, ma. I don't know if there will ever be a smile on my face again.
But don't talk like that. Sometimes life will kick you around. But sooner or later, you will realize that you are not just a survivor, but you are a warrior.
Thank you, ma.
Just give yourself another day. Don't just give up yet. See, in this Brostar Institute, feel free to come to me anytime, any day, and we shall talk, okay?
God will bless you. God will bless for me, ma.
It's okay. Let me get something for you. You have not eaten. And stop crying, please. Stop crying. Okay, I'm coming.
Auntie Angel, what's the problem?
Okay.
Why are you crying?
Just take good care of yourself, okay?
Auntie Angel! But why is Angel crying? Why are you maltreating this girl? She loves you.
What do you know about love? What do you know about love? Now let me warn you. It is high time you stay away from Angel. Stay away from Angel. Now go and focus on your books.
But I don't like what you're doing, no.
Get your books!
I don't like what you're doing. It's not fair. It's not fair. What is it? I don't like it.
A lady, come and put your brother in this condition and you begin to talk about it.
You have not been eating your food. And you look broken down again. I hope you have not been thinking about your mother again.
Talk to me. Did someone hurt you?
No, Dad. No, sis. I'm fine.
You don't seem fine.
You better be fine. Because if the condition remains like this tomorrow, you have no other choice but to go to the hospital for a proper medical screening.
Okay, Dad.
I'm going out right now. If anybody comes looking for me, you tell the person I'll be back in about an hour.
Okay, Daddy. Okay. I have a case I'm working on, so I'll have to rush out. But if you want to talk to me at any moment, please hesitate to call me, okay? I'm just a call away. Don't hesitate to call me, okay? I'll be back before you go.
Say if I can get the final.
Marius, please, have you seen him?
And I say, you know, by year old, you want hear now, mama.
I don't understand what you're talking about.
Marius don't win jackpot. That means no Marius Nana, the new chairman for the quarter now. He carry other girl and go to go chop money. Now say you know believe me, oh. Now say wait.
Please explain. I don't understand what you're talking about.
I say Marius get money. That means no, they go chop money. So. Me no be say Marius don't pass your skin too. Yeah. I be here say yes. Ma go work before my patron.
Hey. I'm finished though. Hey.
Ma.
Auntie,
How are you feeling?
much better now. But I'm still having pains. Pains on my back. And a little bit of cough now.
Don't bother. You'll be fine, okay?
Yes, ma'am. But how long am I going to be here?
You'll be fine. You'll be fine. Don't think too much about it, okay? Just stick to your medications and all will be fine.
Okay.
So what did the doctor say?
They said I'm having some few days to be out. But
It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's okay. All will be fine. Just stay positive, okay? At least you're getting stronger. Don't bother, you'll be fine. Let me see if I have something here for you.
It's a serious procedure and very risky. Women have died during this sort of operation. when making a decision like this, you have to do what is safest. And
we're just managing this place for the moment because, ever since I won that jackpot, I don't want people to put eyes on me. So very. Don't kill us. Don't kill us.
Lie down.
Thank you.
Healing doesn't mean the damage never existed. It means the damage no longer controls our lives. Pain is when you are slowly dying on the inside, but you feel too weak to speak about it. So you keep it silent and suffer alone. Life is a journey for everyone, but we don't all take the same path. However, one thing is certain, nobody's path is 100% smooth. Self-love, self-trust, and self-worth. That's my new motto. I believe in the future and will continue from where I stopped.
I am your subject. Oh yes, in life you treat me like a king. Bird in darkness, I'm your slave, modern slave, oh slave, oh slave. I wanna run into the world, tell them you a battle. Better see you like an angel. No, no, no. Where you take my pride, you take my life.